Hey, it's Jack. Another Meshbesher Monday here. I'm with Josh Tuchscherer with Meshbesher and Spence, and we're going to talk about insurance. Hey, Josh.
Hi, Jack. Thanks for having us.
Now, there are different kinds of insurance. How should people make the decision about what to have?
Sure. Great question. I think the first thing we should talk about is liability coverage.
Okay.
That's a specific type of coverage that you purchase to protect you and your family and your assets. So this would be an instance where you cause a car crash and you hit someone and a claim is made against you. That's liability coverage. You are insuring yourself for the harms and losses that you cause.
Is that the kind that is required here in the state?
Absolutely. There are minimums, and it's required by law, by the way, but there are minimums of coverage that are required. That's $30,000. Today, we see many individuals who are buying coverage online. That traditional relationship that they have with an insurance agent or broker doesn't exist anymore, so they're not getting that guidance on what to buy and what's important. So they're going to the internet and they're buying liability coverage. And the least expensive thing that you can buy is the state minimum, which is $30,000. What we find, however, is that that is just not adequate to cover a family or an individual for losses that they may cause.
So if you have an accident and you get sued for their medical bills, $30,000 is not going to go a whole.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You got that right. And everybody knows the cost of healthcare is so expensive today that $30,000 is inadequate.
Josh, that's why I do my own surgeries at home.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't recommend that. We have great healthcare providers in this state. But it's important that you do get the right liability coverage, that you purchase the right amount.
What is that right amount?
Well, it would obviously
if you're a terrible driver.
If you're a terrible driver, I mean, at a minimum, you can get $100,000 in coverage or more. And the cost differential usually is not that much between the minimum, state minimums, and then more to protect yourself and your family.
All right, next Meshbesher Monday, let's talk about no-fault insurance. Josh, how can people find you?
They can find us by giving us a call or at meshbesher.com.